Hey friends, my name is Priyanka and a very warm welcome to all of you in this easy watercolor tutorial. This quick painting that we're going to do today can form beautiful greeting cards, bookmarks, or even beautify a corner of your wall. I'm basically using 4 pigments for this painting: gamboge hue yellow, bright orange, vermilion hue red, and black, and will create gradation shades using these pigments. I will start with creating a marble effect background. Some random brush strokes, a lot of water, and a hairdryer will help me in achieving this beautiful effect. No practice required, just move the dryer in the direction you want to move the pigments and you will see the beautiful effect appearing. In case you don't have a hairdryer or a drying tool, you can use a straw to move the pigments in the direction you want. And let the pigments dry. The result will be very satisfying. Now I will start with the flowers. I will follow a light to dark color story. We'll start by putting 5 dots for a 5-petal yellow flower. Take another clear brush, dip it in water, take out the extra water, and turn the dots into beautiful petals. Try using 2 brushes here, one for putting the pigment dots and the other clean wet brush for spreading them. Like this, you will save a lot of pigments from getting wasted. As we will do a lot of overlapping flowers, we'll make sure that one layer of flowers has dried before starting the other layer. For each overlapping layer of flowers, I will continue to add a little orange. See, I create overlapping flowers like these. Now adding a little more orange or red according to the darkness you want in each layer. With each round of flowers, the painting starts to look more and more beautiful. Now I'm adding a little black each time as I want darker flowers. So guys, our beautiful flower painting is ready in minutes. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, goodbye.